I'm Megan Cave from PBIS Apps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your school's enrollment information in the SWIS suite. There are loads of graphs inside the SWIS suite that rely on your enrollment figures in order to run their calculations. Entering these numbers is an important step to complete every school year. So, if this is your first time or you just need a quick refresher on how to do it, let's get started. Head up to the Tools menu at the top of your screen and select School Settings. The workspace we need is over here along the left-hand side under Core Data. Click School Enrollment. These are the school years we've subscribed to the SWIS suite. The most current year is listed at the top. So let's update the enrollment for that year. Click anywhere in the row to open it. In our school, we have 4 places to enter some numbers. The first is our total enrollment. Click anywhere inside the total enrollment field, and then enter in the total number of students enrolled in your school. Now, if your school doesn't collect or track any additional demographic information to monitor in the equity report, you won't have to enter anything else. In our school, we track how our referral rates break out across our students' race, ethnicity, their gender, as well as their IEP status. So we need to break out our total enrollment into each of these demographics. I'll show you how to do it for this first group, but the process is going to be the same for the others. Click anywhere in a row to open it. Here are each of the groups, and they have an open field displayed off to the right of each row. That field is where we'll enter the total number of students who identify as this race or ethnicity. Enter each group's portion of the total enrollment. This part can take a little bit of time, but you know. As you go, you'll notice how a running total appears at the bottom. If that number doesn't match the total enrollment you entered above, it'll show up in red with an alert listed next to it. Once it matches, it'll display in black, like this. Once you're finished entering these figures, you can either click Save or you can move on to the next demographic group. If you try to click Save and one of the group's total enrollments doesn't match your school's overall total enrollment, SWIS will pop up with a warning, but that's okay. You can either click Cancel on that warning and correct the information, or you can click Save what you've entered, and then come back and fix it another time. So I'm going to save this, and that's it. I would keep going with our other, with the way that our enrollment breaks out across our other student demographics to finish up. Entering enrollment is a one-time task 99% of the time. If your student population fluctuates up or down by 10% during the year, it's worth your time to come back and update your total enrollment as well as the demographic breakdowns. Just make sure that there's someone in your building responsible for monitoring when these changes need to be made.